On a daily basis, we do it. At the end of a very long day, we all fall asleep. There is a technique by Neville Goddard. It has been practiced for years, and myself, I have seen so many much results coming out of these techniques. So when you are falling asleep, there is a portal that usually opens up. You are half asleep, and at the same time, you are half awake. This is a time that you want to bring in your mind's eye whatever you want to manifest, be it a house, be it a lover, be it a job, whatever you want to manifest. You just have to see it in your mind's eye as vivid as it can be, as clear as it can be, as like it has already been fulfilled. When you are falling asleep, you are going to bring it in your mind's eyes. Let's say maybe you want to manifest an amazing house in a big estate, or whatever you want, or even your dream job. Like myself, I recently manifested the job that I've been calling my dream job, and I believe out of this technique, I have been practicing it for some time, because this is not a technique that you're just going to practice once a night and then that's it. It's something you want to repeat on a daily basis, because at the end of the day, you are falling asleep. So I manifested my dream. I don't want to do like this, because I believe it is out of this technique that I manifested this dream job. So how does it work? Well, according to Neville Goddard, this is how it works and how it has worked for me. Let's say you want to manifest this amazing big house in a beautiful estate. You know, it got all the features that you want. So when you are falling asleep, there is a portal that usually opens up, and this is why, because your subconscious mind and the conscious mind does not really differentiate whether your manifestation, whatever is in your mind, whether it is technically like it has already manifested, or it is on its way to manifest. Let's say you are working on a project, you want to put so much details and as in how it's going to be. So the more specific you are, the better and the quicker your manifestation is going to happen. So this is what happens. If you want to manifest this amazing house, you want to put in that portal when you are falling asleep, like how many rooms do you want to see? How do you want your kitchen to look like? Who are you living with? The carpet under your feet, how does it feel? Maybe it is your living room. Where will your TV, where are you going to set your TV? Where will your back door be? Where will be your front door be? Like, you want it to be as detailed as it can be. You are going to slide into sleep having held that feeling that your desire has already been fulfilled on a daily basis. This is how you want to fall asleep. So like I said, on a daily basis, we are all falling asleep. So instead of trying to think of whatever went wrong in your mind, you are actually setting a tone of whatever is going to happen tomorrow. So whatever didn't work for you today is not going to serve you in any way. So this is a technique that I have been practicing, and I believe with everything deep within me, my job came out of this technique. So what I will do is that of course, there is some affirmations I wrote down, and I went into details when I was scripting about the kind of a job that I want. When I am falling asleep, the moment I hit my head on the pillow, maybe I have said my prayers, my Thanksgiving prayers, then I'll bring into my eyes the kind of a seat I'll be sitting on, the kind of a team I'll be working with, the kind of a work culture I want, the kind of a salary I want to earn, the kind of dress codes I want to, I will be wearing. There was this thing I really held into my mind, the kind of the office I'm going to sit on, the carpet that I'll be stepping on, the intercom that I have. I could see actually even a water dispenser in my office. Like, literally, I went into details of exactly the same thing I want to manifest. I can assure you, there is only maybe a difference of like a 5 or 10% of the exact thing that I was saying and what did not manifest. So almost like 90% is the exact thing that I am living in right now. So if at all I did it, and so many people have done it, and so many people are manifesting on these things, because after all, on a daily basis, you are going to fall asleep. So you might as well take an advantage when you are doing whatever you want to do, because it's all in your mind, because in one or the other there is something that is occupying your mind. So how about you just go ahead and just visualize. Visualizing, it's okay, and even according to the same Neville Goddard, it's more of a feeling. So as much as you are trying to manifest, once you visualize, you have to find a way of feeling that your desire has already been fulfilled. When you are falling asleep, ensure that you have put so many details that you want, the exact thing that you want to manifest, and after that, find a feeling to attach to it. Visualize falling asleep with this vibration, because where you leave your vibration is the same place you are going to find it in the morning. If you're falling asleep holding your vibration, something that the vibration that you're falling asleep into is that something did not go right during the day, or I failed, or those negative, in the morning you're going to pick up the same vibration. So you might as well ensure yourself that you are waking up into a vibration of your wish has already been fulfilled. So I am leaving this challenge to you. Try and do it. Write affirmations when you're falling asleep. Ensure that you are in the vibrational attitude and feelings that your desire has already been fulfilled. If you are feeling a lot of negativity, you might as well go general of whatever you want to manifest. It is still okay. Don't beat yourself about it. If today you are going to fall into that feeling and then the following day you just don't fall into that feeling, it is still okay. Don't beat yourself about it. There is no right or wrong way of manifesting this thing, but I did it. Trust me. My new job, it has been something that I've been desiring for so long. And when I brought this technique in my life, trust you me, it came to pass. So even if I wake up at the middle of the night, I ensure that I'm still holding this vibration, and I come back, oh, it's so windy, and I come back, fall asleep in the same kind of vibration. So even when you wake up in the morning, you just feel rejuvenated, you feel frisk, you feel you're on your way to your manifestation being fulfilled. So my dears, it's just as small and as easy as it is. You're not going out of your way, you're not going, like, you are falling asleep at the end of the day. So you might as well try and put it into practice. And if at all you get some positive feelings, you got some positive outcomes out of it, please come back and put it in my comment section. So my challenge to you guys is that why don't you try it? Because at the end of the day, you are going to fall asleep into that desire. It's like your wish, your desire has already been manifested. It has worked for me, has worked for thousands of people out there. So why can't it work for you people? So let me bring my video to a close. I'm outdoor and there is a lot of background noise and so many things going on. So let me bring my video to a close right here. Go ahead and try it, and if at all you're going to do it, like, put it in the comment section. If at all you have any technique you would want me to elaborate on, also put it on my comment section, and I will be sure to give it a go right here. So let me bring my video to a close. My name is Elizabeth, and as always, keep manifesting and keep it level up with the jockey.